Let's look into our trip to Bannerghatta Zoo. The animal we spotted first is zebra, whole black and white, filter. Second is giraffe, long enough, just like posture problems. And then nilgai. We spotted multiple varieties of nilgai here. Then comes the king of the jungle, the tiger, the Indian animal. He's too busy to give us away. Same goes with the bear or the bhalu, giving the full lazy vibes. It's me, post office lunches. Extremely lazy, completely snoring. Now comes again the tiger. Both tigers were spotted. One more was spotted. Again the bhalu came, lazy vibes. In the Bannerghatta Zoo, spotted. Little bit of ambience. Now comes एक मोटा हाथी घूमने गया मकड़ी के जाल में जाके वो फंसा. These days, every parents learn this poem just to keep their children busy with themselves. Yeah, I love elephants. These are very cute. Now see how he'll play with those grasses, lifting the grasses with the trunk, waving the tails. Now comes the boss of jungle, giving full of bossy vibes. The lion. The cheetah, busy in searching or finding something. Colorful parrots, peacock and other little birds. He be like, मेरा भी फोटो ले लो, वीडियो ले लो, मैं ब्लू कलर का हूँ, मैं रेड कलर का हूँ, मैं येलो कलर और ब्लू कलर का हूँ. चलो चलो, next blue. Come next is white. Now comes, yeah, मैं तो multicolor हूँ, yellow, black and white. What happened to this monkey? Now comes the last clip, giving a full lion walk. चलो बस भी करो भाई, कितना शूट करोगे, बहुत कर दिया मैंने पोज. The lion thinking in his mind. अब बस, bye bye. Trip ends here.